In this video, you'll learn how to convert BUSD to other stablecoins on Binance. By following these steps, you will successfully exchange your BUSD for your desired stablecoin, such as USDC. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once you are on the home page, sign into your account using your credentials. After logging in, locate the convert section, which can usually be found within the main navigation menu. Before proceeding, ensure you have a sufficient balance of BUSD in your account, as conversion requires available funds. Also, keep in mind that the availability of conversions may vary based on your region. It is important to review the current conversion rates carefully before moving on, as this prepares you for the next steps. Next, you'll need to select the target stablecoin you wish to receive. Common options include USDT or USDC. Click on the corresponding drop-down menu to choose your desired stablecoin. After selecting the stablecoin, enter the amount of BUSD you would like to convert. Review the quoted rate and any applicable fees that may be associated with this transaction. Confirm that all conversion details are accurate before proceeding. When you are ready, submit the conversion request. Typically, this process is instant and you will receive a confirmation once the conversion is complete. After the conversion, it is essential to check your spot wallet for the newly converted stablecoin. Navigate to your wallet section and look for the stablecoin you selected. It is also a good practice to review your conversion history to keep accurate records of your transactions. The converted stablecoin can now be used for trading or withdrawal. Be sure to monitor any conversion limits that may apply to your account, as these can affect future transactions. Save the transaction details for your records, especially if you need to reference them later. If you notice that your balance is not updated after the conversion, it is advisable to contact customer support for assistance. They can help resolve any discrepancies you may encounter. This step is crucial for confirming the success of your conversion and ensuring that your account reflects the correct balances. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.